Book 315. In the Atacama Desert of Chile, there are weather stations that have never recorded a single drop of rain in more than a century of operation, and yet a fog rolling in from the Pacific twice a week feeds lichens, cacti, and a fishing village that has drunk nothing else for 300 years. In the Atacama Desert of Chile, there are weather stations that have never recorded a single drop of rain in more than a century of operation, and yet a fog rolling in from the Pacific twice a week feeds lichens, cacti, and a fishing village that has drunk nothing else for 300 years. This fog, known as the camanchaca, is not weather in the ordinary sense. It is the marine layer made visible. The Atacama Desert is one of the driest places on Earth, with some areas receiving as little as 1 to 3 millimeters of rainfall per year. The desert is sandwiched between the Andes and the Pacific Ocean, with the Andes blocking the Amazon's westward moving humidity and the Pacific Ocean suppressing evaporation. As a result, some weather stations have gone entire decades without a measurable rainfall event. Despite the lack of rain, the camanchaca provides a source of water for lichens, cacti, and coastal communities. The fog is rich in iodine, nitrate, sulfate, and other minerals, making it a valuable resource for the desert ecosystem. Lichens, a partnership of fungi and algae, are able to rehydrate from the fog and photosynthesize, producing sugars and fixating carbon. Some species of lichens can do this every single day, and they are able to survive for decades without liquid water. In the 1950s, researchers in the Antofagasta region developed nets that intercepted droplets carried on the wind, and in the 1990s, a fishing community in northern Chile installed one of the largest fog collection projects, providing clean water for 300 residents. Today, fog collection is becoming an increasingly important source of water for coastal communities in the Atacama Desert. A 2025 study estimated that at sites between 700 and 1,100 meters above sea level, less than a kilometer from the urban edge, the yield could reach 0.2 to 4.9 liters of water per square meter of collecting surface per day. The Atacama Desert is home to a unique and fragile ecosystem with a high degree of endemism and a rich cultural heritage. Efforts are being made to strengthen the role of fog collection in water policy and put it on the public agenda in Chile. The study of fog and its role in the Atacama Desert ecosystem has also shed light on the unique properties of this environment, which is often compared to Mars. The extreme aridity and lack of liquid water make it an ideal place for scientists to study life in the absence of water. Despite its extreme conditions, the Atacama Desert is home to a surprising amount of life, including lichens, cacti, and microorganisms. The desert's unique properties also make it an ideal place for scientists to study the origins of life on Earth and the possibility of life on other planets.